getting some bursts of rain showers that occasionally are mixing with some sleet and some wet snow. We're seeing that in the northern western part of Rhode Island, but even over the East Bay too. You've got this little batch of wet snow over Route 6 and 195. So if you're headed into Providence that direction, you may notice those flakes falling. In the capital city, showing up as some rain showers. So here's what to expect today and tonight. Rain and wind are the big headlines. We're going to end up with about 1 to 3 inches of rainfall, winds from the northeast as high as 40 to 60 miles per hour. And in terms of any wintry weather, get some occasional flakes or ice pellets, but little to no accumulation expected. Where they do expect more of an impact from snow and ice, areas shaded in purple here under winter weather advisories. It does include the Hartford area up through Springfield, Worcester under that winter weather advisory until 1 o'clock Tuesday. Looking at our temperatures and our hurricane barrier camera, we are above freezing here in southeastern New England, mid and upper 30s, barely budging with our temperatures through the day today. Winds are picking up. We're going to see wind advisory conditions starting this afternoon. This kicks off at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, goes until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. So it gives you an idea of the window of when we're expecting the strongest winds, and they could be as high as 50 miles per hour. Areas shaded in this light tan, dark tan, Block Island included in that, Cape Cod up eastern Massachusetts, high wind warning. That's a step up. Could see gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Right now tracking an east-northeast wind that's sustained between 10 and 15 miles per hour and only going to get stronger as our area of low pressure or nor'easter nears our area. Flood watch also in effect for that heavy rain, leading to some localized street and poor drainage flooding. The center of this storm starting to lift up towards North Carolina, now going to be passing towards the mid-Atlantic coastline and then near us here in southern New England on Tuesday. So as it gets closer, the winds start to strengthen, and we're going to continue to see moisture being brought in over the ocean. So some bursts of rain, snow, and sleet expected during the day today. Here comes that steadier rain this evening. Darker yellows, greens, oranges, downpours, and we're talking windswept rain here overnight tonight into tomorrow morning's commute. Lingering showers, but not as windy, off and on throughout the day on Tuesday. So a couple of really stormy days ahead for us. The commute this morning, again, looking at drizzle, mist, sleet, and wet snow. Temperatures in the upper 30s for the afternoon, upper 30s to lower 40s. Rain and wind starting to move in, especially towards the evening commute. That's when I expect to see some of that heavier rain heading our way, and the winds gusting at that point up to 40 miles per hour. But tonight is when I expect the height of the rain and the wind, gusts 40 to 60 miles per hour. Temperature still in the upper 30s. So we go from the lower 40s today to the mid 40s for tomorrow. Once we clear that storm out, we have a couple of mild days midweek. Wednesday, Thursday, highs upper 40s to lower 50s. Even Thursday's very mild, but then we start to bring in some cooler weather for Friday and the weekend. Temperatures will be in the 30s. You're going to want to check out Tony's Futurecast tonight at 5.